Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the AL0T channel. It's your boy Prime M, and today we're going to talk about 7 common mistakes women make. Let's get into it. Men and women are different, like I said. We are opposite. If you like that in a guy, the dominance and the go-getter and his career, and you know what I mean? If you like that in a guy, then a guy is going to like the opposite.
Viewers, subscribers, right about now, my people, me I tell you about this YouTube channel called AL0T's Reaction. Because you see this brother, you know, my viewers and subscribers, it seems like the man know everything about relationship. Yo, the man are the relationship genius. People, woman, ladies, man, whether you are going a problem through your relationship, my people, or you want to know what type of woman for choose, or you want to know what kind of man for choose, ladies, listen, AL0T's I go tell you all. The man know everything about life settings and life journey, my people. The man know how to motivate you, the man know how to push you to your career. The man have every type of things over there. So when me want to my viewers and subscribers, because you know some of the attacking boss and me also attack some story people, I want to send it right over there now. So all me I go do, my people, me I go leave the link to the channel in the comment section, and I'm going to leave it in the description, my people. So please go over there and subscribe to AL0T's Reaction, because this channel, my people, it gone. AL0T's, the man know everything about life settings, relationship. We better go fix it now if we need a problem. Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, I don't know if you all remember, couple days ago, or maybe say couple of weeks ago then, my people, I covered a story about an incident that took place over there in Clarendon, Jamaica, my people, involving a shooting that left a young man dead, my people, and left a female injured. Both of them were occupants in a car, my viewers and subscribers. See? So after this story was released and everything, people, which I disclosed and I told you that the young man, you understand, who them call Toto British, my people, and who them say used to do over Cayman and thing, people, and run off over Cayman certain way, having business them and thing, my people, and then come at Jamaica now, people, and set up him thing where you have a lot of bus on the road, have him carry them where rent and them something, my people, and I do him thing, you understand, keep whole heap of party and them something from Cayman to Jamaica, bring artists go over Cayman and them something, my people. So he was popular in the street, my people. A lot of entertainers know him, a lot of different people in the music business know him and thing, my people. But unfortunately, my people, on February 18, Toto British was killed, you understand, when he was, and a female who was both occupant in a car, my people, you don't know, and the female managed to survive, people. She also received a gunshot wound to her leg and something, my people. So now, my viewers and subscribers, Zane, you see how much days pass, much weeks pass, but this female, people, who managed to survive this attack, my people, right now, is not a happy woman, you understand, knowing that she have to be walking with crutches right now, my people. You know what I mean? One of her foot them mash up so bad, which the bullet themselves go be in her foot where that bullet now go manage to come back out, people. She have to live with that bullet in her feet and something. You know what I mean? And Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Foot broke up on them something. The only damages she get, my people. See? But one of the saddest thing that's affecting this female now, my people, is that news has been published out there, my people, saying that she responsible for this cruel act against this man, and she was the one who set up everything, you understand. She was the one, and her ex and them something that who basically them say like she and them and Toto British involved in a something and gonna do something in the ex house and what if something go on, my people. So it was a mix up story, my people. So she personally reached out to the attacking boss, my people, and so right now her name has been, you know what I mean, damaged out there. Her image has been damaged, you know what I mean, by such man vlogger. You know what I mean? Such man vlogger has damaged her reputation, damaged her image with people. And she want people to all know that, look here, she is a businesswoman who have more than one business, my people. You understand? Travel agent, all of them something, my people, she do. And she want to make you know that she and Toto British really just start talking like say, say, a man and woman are there together, my people. She want to also disclose, say, look, you know, her ex, what she did have what them a talk about and something. She and that man broke up, my people, and it wasn't a situation where, like, them broke up because she cheated or something. It was a situation where they both come together and decided, say, you know what, based on the fact where it will benefit the man more because him get the opportunity and she say, you know what, boom boom, and them decide say, you know what, we are going to do this, we are going to do that. And it was a situation like him and her have problem where he has still being jealous or anything like that, my people. So she all want people to know, so look, you know, her name, it has been tortured, it has been damaged, and her reputation has been spoiled by such man vlogger. See? So I'm going to share a recording with you all, my people, and in this vlog you have to pay keen attention to this vlog to get the full understanding of it, my people. So what I also going to do, I have some screenshot of messages that was sent to me, my people, via Facebook, via WhatsApp, you understand, with communication with her and Toto British, my people. And she want everybody to know about the whole relationship, how it was going, where it is coming from, and how it was Toto British who reached out to her, you understand, from back in 2018, trying to hook her up on Facebook and thing, people, and it wasn't that something that she really fought for, but he continuously trying, and it was just in February, my people, close to his death, where she literally just started talking to him, and it was like a friendship developed with the two of them people, but he definitely did really want a relationship with her, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, as I say, I'm going to share a recording with people. I'm going to have two parts for this video. So this is part one, which I'm going to share some recording, people. I'm going to share some screenshot messages also while you're listening to the recording, so you will see the communication that she and this man, Toto British, did have going on with viewers and subscribers. And in part two, I will continue to share other recordings of people plus other messages and things, so you can get the full understanding of what really went down, you understand. So she just want her name to be cleared, you know, say that she didn't and she have nothing to do with it, people. And right now, you know what I mean, she's in fear for her life. She has been suffering right now, people, and she never been in no situation like this, and for know that everything her name are called up in her, everything pre-means upon her, and she has nothing to do with it, my people. So just listen to this, my people, you understand, and as I say, pay keen attention, and remember, if you do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. So my people, just listen, watch, and pay keen attention. Look out for part 2 soon. Peace out.
The 18th of February, when I got up, I got some text from my number. I didn't know the number. So I called him and I said to him, I got some text and I don't really understand this. And him said, listen, I'm going to come pick you up and watch what them have to say. Listen, I don't know who it was, but he had come and picked me up and we went by his house. Upon reaching his house, I got some calls from a private number. When I answered the first call, it was a female and she started cussing me out. Point blank, she started cussing me out. And I hang up the phone because me did frighten me. Because me answer my phone, me now say, yo, a private number, so me not for answer it or whatever it is. Me just pick up the phone and answer it. But it was a private number. When I answer the phone, the girl started cussing me out, me hang up. She called back and she started cussing me out again. And me hang up and him say, what happened? Me say, one female cuss me on the phone. So I say, when by a female cuss me on the phone? The phone ring again. Him take out him phone and him record the female. Him take out him phone and record the female and answer my phone. Because him take my phone from me and answer it. And when the female start cuss and go on, him said to the female, I thought of this, you know, what you mean by me, your man? Because girl said, if you left her man and what she going to do me and all of them something. So him say, what you mean by me, your man? Who this? And the girl, and I thought of this, you know, I thought of this, you know, and the girl hang up the phone. However, I never really know, say him record it, he send it to him brother. Him send the voice clipping to him brother. And him brother call back and say, yo, probably I want a sassy friend man I try fuck around her or whatever, you know, them start laughing off and say, probably I want her friend them and something. After him answer my phone that time, the person didn't call back. That person did not call back. Him and him brother they on the phone and them talk little and them I say, yo, just delete that man and no watch that or whatever it is. Bear in mind that he had still had my phone because him did answer my phone when a female did call. I said, alright, since you said that, fine. We just put it one side. The brother had told me that he had still had the clippings when I was in the hospital. He told me saying he did still have the clippings. If him have it now, I don't know. But him tell me point blank saying he did still have the voice note in his phone when brother did send him. Same time when he come off my phone, him get one call from somebody, I don't know who it was, and he say, come here and go on the road cause me I get red plate on the bus. He have one silver bus so him did even give me for use couple of times to do my business. The 13th of February, I keep on party and me did have a bus from in the morning. Can you pick me up in the morning and give me the bus and say, may I get one driver for drive me around because you can't drive bus. And I get the driver and the driver drive me around for the entire day, carry tent and table and chair and help sort out the venue, carry liquor them and so. That was the same bus. He said I get red plate on the bus and sort out the bus. I said, alright, me and him up on the road the whole entire day. We go from Lining Town to Maypen to tax office all about get everything up for the bus. Him drop me home in the evening. When he drop me home in the evening, him ask me what me I go do for the rest of the day. I say, I have drink out for go later, you know, me I feel like up my bar and so. So I say, alright, him a come pick me up about 8 o'clock. I say, alright, no problem. He drop me home, you know, me do what me have to do in my yard and get ready. He come and pick me up back again in the night. I go on and I drink out. I pay a drink out and I leave and I stop on one event for one girl that keep. The girl always support me, so I stop her event. I stop the little bit in bit outside in my car. I don't know exactly where I'm out there I do, but in bit outside in my car on him phone. That wasn't really my business to prior to ask. Oh, what you do? I can't come. No. I come out of the car, I go in a venue, I did it for a little while and then I leave, go up to the club. I go up to the club and we start lock up the club and stuff. We did a little bit sit down and then I say, alright then, it's time for go home because you have to drop me home and then reach back home before the curfew, which is 11 o'clock at the time. And him say, alright. I lock up a bar, bartender say, may I go somewhere else, you know, may I go to one event, so now if you drop me home. That's the only night when he's there that we didn't drop home the bartender. We drive off from the club and we reach home. We drive off from the club on my way home. There's a turning when I come off from me, you know, the turning to go to the apartment where I live. When we turn in, him turn the car and stop. I had cake soap and detergent in the car because I will wash a lady that come wash. As the car stop, them start shoot up the car. Me no know where shooting now come from. Me no know. Me can't tell you say a 2, 3, 1. Me no know exactly. Me no know what happened. More than the car stop and gunshot just start fire. It just start fire. Everything just start happen. Me run out of the car, and when I run out of the car, I realize my foot not work. I'm a drop. At that point, me no know, like, me no know what happened. Me crawl to one of them doorway and me say, call police because me get shot. We get shot up, call police, and the guy, me say, beg you some water. Cause me feel like my breath a lock off. Beg you some water, and the guy say, he can't pull in door. Me say, let me in, cause we get shot. Anyhow, the person didn't let me in. I was there lying down and on the person's step because me had crawled to the step asking for some assistance. And lying down there, I start praying, I start ask God, say, God, please not take my life. Please not take my life. I don't want my daughter to suffer the way how me did. I'm going to start pray till me don't know nothing more. When me realize, I don't know how long after, me feel people try to wake me up and ask me what my name is, so, and then give me a phone. Then give me my phone and say, I must try make some calls. Me call him brother, me say to him brother say, we get shot. Them shoot up the car with we in it. And then them say I must make one next call. I call my sister. I call my sister and tell my sister say we get shot. And them say what me then? Me say me in a police vehicle and them say me for make one call and make people know what happened. When I reach the hospital, you know, them rush with me, put on drip and cut off my clothes and try assist me with the bullet and everything. Then carry me go do X-ray and all kind of things, and then them realize say there's one of the bullets still inside me, inside my leg, my upper leg. So them say there's a bullet there. When them count 6 wounds, them count 5 wounds. Not 6, them count 5 wounds. There's 2 down by my lower leg. I don't know, down by the foot part there, and then there's an exit wound on the bottom and the top of my foot. Them say the bones across my foot, that's a part that you walk on, those bones are broken because a bullet had gone through there as well. And I can't go walk or anything, so you know, in and out of consciousness. I don't really know exactly what happened. I remember one of the lady come to me and said to me, who's the next person that was in the car with me? And me tell him, and he say, you know no relative fame? I say, me know him brother, me can, and he say, no relative fame can give me their number, let me call them and tell them what happened. I say, me know him brother, and me give him brother number. Me give him brother girlfriend number, because me have fear number as well. And they say, if me have nobody where me can, where we come and assist me, me give them my sister them number, and my sister call, they dep on the phone for a while. Them hang up with my sister still and say, listen, she can't talk right now because she got through a lot of, she got through something, whatever. Them hang up the phone and then they go with the phone. And if I tell you who come at the point, me don't know who come, me don't know who not come, because my inner outer consciousness up until a day or 2 after, I was wearing, when me come back to me have on diapers, because me can't get up, me can't do nothing for myself. Me have on diapers. Them reduced me from the diaper to bedpan. After about 2 days or so, them reduced me to bedpan. And then them start make me come down off my bed and use the wheelchair. You know, porter we carry, you go to use the bathroom. Within that period of time, you know, people would call and ask you alright or everything, and they would also inform me about the negative. Bear in mind that I lose blood to the point where I lose consciousness before they actually found me. When a person called me and said, them hear what happened, but them never really know who the person was. But they've been praying for that person, because a police friend of theirs told them that when they find the lady was, them think the lady dead. So them say, oh, a 2 dead person, but somebody in the midst knew me at the time. I said, no man, I could try help her. And as so comes, them take me up and realize, say, me not dead, me just lose a lot of blood and lose consciousness. And a person them run with me go to hospital.